CRCL stock analysis. This is for 17th of June and onwards. What I'm doing here, just showing you my exact play and everything. Very briefly, it's pumping up. What I'm looking to do is just double down. How exactly though? When are you going to be the levels that I'm going to buy? The timing is also crucial. As the only guy in the space with 42,000 videos myself, you know, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. I'm not just saying this just to say it. It's all documented on my YouTube channel. No one else has documented 42,000 videos. And from here on, I'm just looking to just double down. You know what I mean? So if it doesn't show me that shift and there's no double break, not buying, I do have a lot of previous receipts here. CRCL, 6 results popping up. So yeah, really like just waiting for this to happen. This was a break even, decent W here that I got. I just moved this to the side because it's in the way, you know, but here it is. It's 104 at the time, I was aiming for like 137, 138, and that delivered. That's nice. Looking to do the same exact thing. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free email.